Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today's video, I will teach you how to change your phone's font for free. Okay, let's not prolong it. Let's get started. Okay guys, here we need an internet connection. Okay, so we are connected to the internet. Then next, let's open our Play Store. So, for me, my phone is Huawei, so for me, it is App Gallery. But, just the same as in the Play Store. Now, let's go to the search bar, and search the font manager. So, this is it. Then, we just open it. And click, Install. Let's just wait for it to install. So, after our installation is done, let's open it now. Let's wait to load. So, look guys, there are so many options. We will never run out of it. Just download them, just choose what you like best. Okay, let's try to download and apply the font now. Let's just follow the process. So, guys, our font has been changed. Isn't it very easy? Okay guys, this is our video. Thanks for watching. So, I hope I helped a little. I hope we also share this with others. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys, bye.